Hey guys, sorry I'm not there today. I got called at 7:55 about my daughter throwing up at school, so I had to go pick her up. So today, this is as good as you're going to get from me. Unless you text me with Remind, I can answer questions that way, or shoot me emails because I'm at home, I'm available. But this is going to be your lesson for today. So on this slide, you're looking at 4 different examples of polynomials, or possibly polynomials, I guess I should say, that we talked about yesterday. In order for you to be able to find the degree, it has to be a polynomial. So if you're looking at A, B, C, and D here, then there's one of them that does not, or is not able to be classified as a polynomial. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me finish writing this. Sorry, I'm slow. Okay, so hopefully you can all tell that this one is not a polynomial because you can't have variables on the bottom. If you can't classify it as a polynomial, you can't tell the degree. On the other 3, remember that whenever we do degree of monomials, I should say, if it's a monomial, you just add the exponents and then that's it. If it's a polynomial, you take the degree of each individual term and then you pick the highest power. So this first one for choice B, or example B, that one has a degree of 5. This one has a degree of 2. And this one, since there's no variable, it has a degree of 0. So in that case, the biggest one is going to be 5. So the degree is 5 for that choice B, or that example B. For the third one, you look at each individual one. That one has a degree of 2, degree of 1, degree of 1, so it has a degree of 2, degree of 0, degree of 1, degree of 6, degree of 3. So biggest number in those for choice D is 6. So that's your degree. The degree for the first one was not possible, NP. I'll just abbreviate. Alright, the other thing that this slide is showing is talking about leading coefficients. And that comes from the term that is the highest degree. So if you look at each of your B, C, D examples, the one that you chose the degree from, the leading coefficient is simply the number in front of that term. So in B, the leading coefficient is 1. In C, it's also 1. And in D, the leading coefficient is 2 because it's in front of the one with a degree of 6. So notice too that it doesn't have to be in any specific order. Remember, I'm not picky. So I think that's all that's on this slide.